As you know, industrial work is a risky business for both the body and mind. And one risk that is commonly overlooked is heat stress. Heat stress happens during the summer months, and there are 3 types that you must contend with: heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Heat cramps are painful muscle spasms in the arms, legs, or abdominal area that can also be accompanied by fatigue and confusion. Heat exhaustion happens when your body overheats and causes your blood pressure to drop, your pulse to increase rapidly, and your body and mind to feel fatigued, confused, and nauseous. It can even lead to fainting. Heat stroke, the most serious of the 3 heat stresses, sets in when your body temperature rises to 105 degrees. And while it also causes you to feel fatigued and confused, it can cause you to collapse or become unconscious. A body temperature of 105 degrees or higher can even be fatal. The best way to defend against heat stress is to keep properly hydrated. Hydration 365 means making sure you give your body the necessary electrolyte replacement products it needs to stay hydrated every single day that you're on the job. Electrolytes are necessary because they contain minerals necessary to keep your body and mind hydrated, fueled, and focused, something that water alone just can't do. Monitor your hydration and temperature level throughout the day by hydrating regularly with electrolyte replacement products, wearing the right clothing for the weather and work environment, eating healthy and adjusting your calorie intake to meet the demands of the job, limiting diuretics and dehydrants, monitoring the color of your urine and the frequency of your urination. Now that you know about heat stress and how to prevent it, be proactive when it comes to hydrating on the job. It's the best bet at making sure the job's done right. For additional hydration safety resources, visit Hydration Central at sqwincher.com/educate.